A group of humpback whales has traveled for thousands of kilometers from warm breeding grounds to colder feeding waters. But one of them is about to make a detour. From several kilometers away, it hears orcas attacking a seal. So as if responding to a distress call, it turns around and rushes in. It charges the 8-meter-long orcas, driving them away with its massive flukes. Then, once the danger is past, it quickly returns to its journey. Humpbacks are known to make these kinds of spontaneous rescue attempts, but why would they spend their time and energy and even risk their lives to save a stray seal? Isn't nature supposed to be cruel and competitive with no room for generosity? Well, not exactly. When Charles Darwin published On the Origin of Species, the idea of survival of the fittest became closely associated with the image of the strongest animals dominating the natural world. But it isn't what Darwin means by fitness, and it isn't how biologists use the term today. Fitness doesn't refer to physical strength, it refers to how likely an organism is to pass on its genes to the next generation. So the fittest animals are the ones most likely to survive long enough to produce healthy offspring. This might occasionally describe a powerful predator, but it could also be the most stealthy, resourceful, or cooperative animal. So what does cooperation look like in the animal kingdom? Sometimes it's easy to see. In the Great Barrier Reef, cleaner rats inspect other fish and eat the parasites from their bodies. Both species benefit from the arrangement, which is called mutualism. Sometimes this relationship can get a bit selfish. If a rat thinks it can get away with it, it might try to bite the fish it's supposed to be cleaning. In the Kalahari Desert, meerkats dig for hidden prey while a sentry keeps watch. If an eagle appears, the sentry gives the alarm, and the group races to safety. The sentry role is dangerous and costs valuable time, which could have been spent eating. But it may increase fitness if the group is made of close relatives, because helping family is helping to pass on shared genes. However, animals aren't necessarily family to help one another. For Costa Rican vampire bats, missing a few meals can mean starvation. So if one bat comes back hungry, another may regurgitate its own blood meal to help. That's costly, but it builds a trade system. You help me now, and I'll help you later. This is called reciprocal altruism. It isn't pure selflessness because the donor expects something in return, but it does show that cooperation can be a powerful survival strategy. And although animal health seems tied to reward, food, or family, that doesn't mean that true altruism doesn't exist. Researchers still don't know why humpbacks protect unrelated whales and even seals from predators. So maybe the animal kingdom is more generous than we thought. Thank you.